The first step to accessing the conference is to register. Registration for the conference is complimentary. You can register online at VisitNC365.com until Tuesday, April 20th. If you are already registered but would like to modify your registration, go to VisitNC365.com. Once you have arrived, select Already Registered, located just below the Register Now button. Enter your email address you used to register, as well as your confirmation number, which was emailed to you at the time of registration. If you do not have access to your confirmation number, please select Forgot Confirmation Number. Your confirmation number will be emailed to the email account you registered with. Be sure to check your spam and junk folders for the email. Once you have entered your email address as well as your confirmation, you can log in. You are now logged in. Select the Modify Registration button located just to the left and below the Add to Calendar button. Now you can start making changes to your registration. Common reasons you might want to modify your registration is to opt in to receive information from sponsors and speakers. Add your correct cell phone number so that you can receive your verification code for the Attendee Hub. You can also add the Chop and Chat evening event with Sam Jones. There is a donation of $25 to the North Carolina Restaurant Workers Relief Fund to attend this event. Or you can switch your breakout session selection. To change your breakout session, click the Switch button located beside the session you would like to attend. You can only select one breakout session per day since they take place at the same time, but all sessions will be recorded and available up to 90 days after conference. Make the changes to your registration, continuing through all the registration pages by selecting the Next button at the bottom of each page, until you reach the final order summary page. Once you've reached the order summary page, click Submit Changes. If you are going to modify your registration, we recommend you do so prior to the event to avoid missing any part of conference. The Virtual Attendee Hub is how you'll access all 2021 VisitNC 365 conference content, where you will view sessions, agenda items, and additional conference information. An email will be sent out that has the registration link to access the Virtual Attendee Hub. Register now so that you can gain access to the Attendee Hub. When you're ready to access the event, you can click the Access VisitNC 365 Conference button found in the email or on VisitNC365.com. After clicking the link to go to the virtual event, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your first name, last name, and the email address you used to register. Registration and login is unique to each individual and cannot be shared. After entering your first name, last name, and email address, a verification code will be sent via text message and/or email that will request you to input a verification code. The verification code is different from your confirmation number you received when registering. The verification code is good for only one-time use and expires after 24 hours. Once expired, or if you're logging in on a new device, you'll need a new code. You can trigger a new verification code by following the same steps again. If you did not receive a verification code or receive an error message, please check your registration information and/or spam folder, then try again. The email or text should be triggered in less than a minute. We recommend you include your best cell phone number on your registration in order to receive the verification code quickly and easily. Refer to how to modify your registration to re-enter your cell number. The verification code is unique to you and won't work for anyone else. This is different from your confirmation number you received when registering and is required for you to gain access to the Virtual Attendee Hub. Again, the verification code is only good for one-time use and expires after 24 hours. In order to receive the new verification code, follow the same steps. Click on the link to go to the virtual event, where you'll be prompted to log in, enter your first name, last name, and the email address you used to register to trigger the new verification code. Once logged into the Attendee Hub, you will see the homepage of the virtual event. You will be able to view live and upcoming sessions, featured sponsors, and basic event details. You can click on the individual session straight from this page. Additionally, you can access the event website by clicking the event website link. The All Sessions page. This tab lists all the sessions available for you to attend during the event. They are listed in the order they occur. You can click on the session name to access the content of the session. You can also add or remove sessions from your personalized schedule on this page. We recommend, if you're going to add or remove sessions, you do so prior to the start of the conference in order to not miss out on any sessions. My Schedule. This page shows your personalized schedule based off the sessions you are registered for. You can join the sessions from this page by clicking the Join Session button or the session name 5 minutes before the session begins. You can also remove sessions from your schedule on this page if you no longer wish to attend. When it's time for you to join a session, click the name of the session or the Join Session button to get to the session page. On the session page, you can view a description of the session, information on who is speaking, and the session documents that were shared. If you're viewing the session before it begins, you have the ability to add that session to your personal calendar. All sessions will be accessible 5 minutes prior to the start time of the session. When you're ready to join, select the Join Session button. This will open the video player for you and will appear like this. If you are viewing the session during the time it is aired, you are able to pause the content, but it will not hold your place. The majority of the sessions will have live Q&A. Select the Q&A button located on the right of the screen to pop out the question screen. Then select Ask a Question to open a text box. You can ask the question anonymously or include your name. You also have the option to upvote other attendee questions. A virtual help desk link will be provided in the Attendee Hub email as well as on VisitNC365.com. Our help desk will be available from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. each day of conference if you have questions or technical issues. Thank you.